What's up, Better Days? Today we're on Center Hill Lake. I'm with my buddy Reese, and we put in at Four Seasons boat ramp. And we're just gonna go around the lake and fish. I've never been out on this lake in the boat. I've certainly never been out here in my boat. So we're just gonna go fishing. And we saw right here at the boat ramp a few little fish chasing up. So we're gonna see if we can't go after them real quick. And we're just gonna go out and cruise. Okay, clipped in. Forward is engaged.
Especially right here on the channel, so there might be a little bit of current.
What you getting into? You think about an Ed rig, ain't you?
I was thinking about a spinner bait.
Oh. Okay.
I'm seeing all this small shad moving around.
Oh.
Get one?
Something hit it. I just hit a stick. Oh, wow. That whole stretch through there, we was in 15 to 20 foot of water perfectly. I just kept us right on that line. No fish. Right here, this close to this thing, same depth, 17 foot of water, we start running into fish. Oh, there we go, got him. Got one. That's my first time using a fish finder and finding a fish and catching it. Yeah, go ahead and get it in the water, please. Yeah, get it. Keep that net way in the water.
I was trying to extend it.
Oh, okay.
Dang, he's fat. Look at that.
Yes. First little fish of the day. We caught it trolling crankbait. This is a spotted for sure. Yeah, he is. And my goodness, he's fat and he's healthy. And he wanted a crankbait. That right there. And that's a Rapala DT6. But I had just told my buddy Reese. What was I saying, Reese? We're in the right depth. There's no fish until right there. And that's where there was fish. I wonder, can we duplicate that kind of success? It's to fight them. What's that, robo worm?
It's a little culprit ribbon tail.
What's a robo worm?
It's kind of, it has very little action, kind of just real slim line all the way down.
Oh. Like a trick worm?
Yeah. Like a little finesse worm. A lot of people put them on drop shots.
Yeah. And that's just the sinker down below the hook, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, there we go. Big old fish. Oh, look at that little guy. I thought he was big. He hit like a big guy.
They found the cove.
Yep. Yep. Small dog. So that's two different bass species real quick. Ow, shoot. They are strong, aren't they? They hit like a ton of bricks. Smallmouth. There he is. Oh, boy, he's in there. Right next to that tree. And he was like he was chewing it. I just tried to give it a second to sink, but he was already chewing it. Damn. Wind hitting my hat. Yeah, good idea. This is fun.
Catching a few more fish though.
Yeah. As much as you can.
On this point, and we'll just
Neutral? Kill it?
put it in there.
Remind me before we take off, I'll take a look at that gas tank and see how much gas we used. I just like to know what 10 minutes of running that tank. No, because I know what it had when, there we go. I know what it had when me and my dad started. Get the net. Oh, big dog. It's all right. It's all right. They do that. Just go ahead and put the net. Oh, you got it. Stab the fish. That's the way to do it, my brother. Crankbait.
Well, you know.
Yep. That was awesome, brother. That's a good size smallie.
That's what I'm telling you, they're in here.
They are in here. They are in Center Hill Lake. Don't tell anybody that. No, we're on Center Hill Lake. I didn't realize smallmouth had a tongue patch like that.
Yeah.
It's exactly the same as the spotted. There we go. He hit it like a ton of bricks. And he jumped out of the water. Yeah, but he's only like a 14.
Yeah, but he's like healthy and big.
Yeah, he is. Go for it, brother. Yeah, look at that. How big is it? 14 and a 1 smidgen. You see that? Mm-hmm. Boy, I can eyeball the size of a fish pretty good. Okay. Oh, it feels a lot lighter.
Oh.
Yes. Okay. I'm sorry, brother.
That's the wind, baby.
We need to kind of move in that direction, you know what I'm saying? I definitely need to put some extra gas on my boat. I have extra gas cans, and I meant to do that, bring some with us, and I didn't. Do you see the buoys down there? I'm really getting nervous. Oh no. not idling, it's moving. The prop's on. I'm cramping up from nerves. There she goes. So, yeah. What's up, Better Days? We just ran out of gas in the middle of Center Hill Lake. Fortunately, I was able to wave at a couple of people who offered. We ran out! I was able to wave at a couple of people who offered to follow us down here. And they're kind of making sure we make it in. They may end up having to tow us. But that's a lesson. That's a lesson learned. You ain't gonna ride around all day on a gallon of gas. Well, this is my 9th time out. I'm a new boat owner. This was the gas that came in the boat, and I didn't know how far I could go. I knew we'd be pushing it. I got to where we wanted to go, looked at my gas. We had this much in the tank. And I came around the corner and saw you guys. And my heart skipped a beat. I said, I'm going to, I went out of my way because it was a straight line to go around you, but I said, I've got to go over to them and tell them I ran us out of gas. I'm hooked up right here on the hull. Yeah, I just want to let you know where the rope was. Okay, this is awesome. Yeah, okay. Sorry, Reese. We had to cut our fishing trip short because I realized we were going to be kind of low, and I checked the gas and sure enough we were. So I opted to holler at these people that I saw in the same cove where we were fishing and ask them for help instead of trying to make it back without letting anybody know. So we let them know we were out of gas, or we would be soon. We made it most of the way, and then they helped us get towed in. That was a lot of fun. I mean, I caught a few fish. I'll probably make a video out of this just to remind myself not to run out of gas. Thanks for watching, you guys. Have a better day.